Hey guys, Artem here. Hope you're doing well. Having a really great day. This video, I need to update the firmware on this iPolo V1 Mini Classic because apparently this can mine Octaspace and Zilliqa. This is a 3.8 gigabyte model iPolo miner, which initially the support was for Ethereum Classic, but Octaspace is a ETH hash coin, so I'm here to test it out on this 130 mega hash 104 watt ASIC miner, which I just did a video on explaining how much Ethereum Classic we mined after a year. And unfortunately I have been mining to Ethermine on this thing over the past month, but since I think after July Ethermine shut down, so it's been sitting here doing nothing, not even mining. It's been stuck on Ethermine, not mining anything. So that is my fault, and so we're going to change that today, as I'll just show you guys here. Okay, so I'm remotely connected to it right now. It's on firmware version 65.83. So it's been a long time since I updated this thing. It has an uptime of 92 days. And if I go to the miner config, it's gonna show up the Ethermine, etc.ethermine.org, which is no longer available. Ethermine shut down their Ethereum Classic pool. So I am wanting to try Octaspace with this thing on K1 pool. Okay, so K1 pool apparently can do ZIL as well. So because this iPolo V1 Mini Classic, okay, 130 mega hash, 104 watts, this is also the 3.8 gigabyte model, that I should be able to try it. So I'm gonna download the iPolo firmware off their website. Okay, so if we go to firmware download, go to V series. Now I know that I am a few versions behind, quite a bit of versions since then. So I'm gonna download this V11011133 firmware. Okay, and we're gonna hit download, download anyway, yep. Okay, so looks like it's there in my downloads folder. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go back to the iPolo here, the web GUI, we're gonna go to firmware upgrade. Okay, and then I'm gonna, let's see, we need to get the flash image. I need to browse for it. Okay, it is gonna be the one I just downloaded. That looks like I already downloaded it twice because I did it before. Then I'm gonna hit upload. Okay, and it's uploading the file. Do I want to retain the settings? No, I'm gonna start brand new. I'm gonna uncheck that. And then I'm gonna hit continue. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let that go and I'll be right back. We'll see if Octaspace works. Actually, in the meantime, if anyone's still watching, I wanna do a giveaway. I promised that when I do videos in my basement, I would be doing a giveaway every single time. And I'm gonna be giving away mining chamber merch. I'm gonna give away shirts, sweater, another shirt, mining hub shirt, and also sweatpants. Okay, so if you are in North America, just comment down below anything positive regarding this video. Anything. Just comment anything. I will choose the winner after 24 hours. You have to email me your shipping address, and that's it, okay? So good luck, guys. Good luck. You're gonna win some mining chamber merch. I have way too much merch that he gave me, and so I'm just gonna do giveaways of this all the time, probably for the next like 10 years, because there's like a couple hundred shirts and pants here and sweaters. Just insane, just insane. Okay, let's see if this thing has updated. Nope, looks like it's still going. Okay, it came back up. We're on version 110.133. all right, so let me change the miner configuration and I'm gonna see if this is going to work on K1 pool, because right now I actually have my iPolos on there already, and so we'll see if Octaspace will show up on the iPolo V1 Mini. Sorry, my iPolo X1, X16Q, and Gold models are on Ethereum Classic and Zilliqa. So we'll see if this one works. So let me input all of that stuff in. I will be right back. Okay, it seems to be working. No way, I did not think this would work because I guess the coin configuration part on this iPolo V1 Mini Classic, it says ETC hash. And Octaspace is an ETH hash coin, so I didn't see a drop down here for ETH hash. So, but it seems to work though. If I go to information overview, you can see here, I am getting accepted shares, okay, to us.octa.k1pool.com. If we go to the K1 pool, you can see my iPolo V1 Mini is showing up. Look at that, Octaspace, look at that. Just showed up here. That's, yeah, wow. I'm actually surprised. I just refreshed it here. It's working, 130 mega hash. There you go. So it works. Now the ZIL part, I didn't see that yet, but I'm sure that's gonna work. I'm just gonna let that go. Now I want to quickly talk about the profitability of this, okay? iPolo V1 Mini Classic. So according to minetheasic.com, this makes about 11 cents on mining Ethereum Classic and Zilliqa, okay? It doesn't seem to have Octaspace on here, but you can see ETH hash, 130 mega hash, 104 watts, making about 11 cents a day, including the ZIL. All right, so it's really not that much, but I'm on hashrate.no now, and I just want to see if I put 130 mega hash, 104 watts on Octaspace, okay, and I'm gonna hit calculate here, see how much this makes. I think at 9 cent kilowatt hour. Okay, so my power cost for this is about 25 cents a day. That makes sense. And then the profit I'd be making about this would be about 37 cents or 0.6 octa. And the profit for that without ZIL, I just realized I didn't put in ZIL, I'd be making profit 12 cents. All right, so if I actually, yeah, if I put ZIL here, which is basically, it only mines at about, I don't know, a couple minutes a day. Hit calculate here with Zilliqa. So this 130 mega hash on ZIL and Octa, this will now generate 21 cents profit, okay? So I get 5.17 ZIL a day, or that'd be equating to 9 cents in revenue. And revenue, because it's basically free, I guess, with this. It goes along with the Octaspace here. So yeah, wow. So it'd be a lot better for me to mine Octaspace and ZIL on this iPolo V1 Mini for now versus ETC hash and ZIL. All right, so that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna let this go for, I think, another 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes until the next ZIL round. I wanna make sure it actually shows up here, and then we're gonna see if that works. But hey, this is a good sign. I'm actually surprised that this is working. So that's making this, for those that bought this $700 Ethereum Classic miner a year ago, there's now a little bit more light at the end of the tunnel regarding this thing. But I'm gonna continue to mine and hodl with this thing and just see. Yeah, I'm just gonna do Octaspace and ZIL. I guess in a way I have a lot more diversity now. I was just doing Ethereum Classic by itself before. So now that I'm doing Octa ZIL, I have a little bit more diversity having Octaspace and also Zilliqa. And also the 9 or 10 Ethereum Classic that I mined the year previous. So I'm still holding that up until price appreciation. And so I'm gonna do the exact same for this guy, okay? So yeah, waiting for price appreciation for Octaspace and Zilliqa. That was $700 a year ago. And we're gonna see when we break even or get the return on initial investment on this guy mining those two coins now, okay? All right, guys, that's all I wanted to do in this video. Just, you know, let me know your thoughts. Let me know if anyone else that has this, if you guys have done a BIOS update as well. I just realized I need to update the other ones I have here as well. These are like ETH Mini Classic Wi-Fi Pluses. So I think these do 280 mega hash, and I have the SC one is there as well. I'm gonna have to update all of these. Maybe I should just mine Octaspace on all of them. That might be more beneficial, but I don't know. I like Ethereum Classic as well. I guess it's gonna depend ultimately which coin you guys believe in and which one is going to ultimately go up or appreciate in price more so than the other. Who knows, right? Nobody knows. That's the risk, the gamble that we're willing to take, or I'm willing to take here to, you know, show you guys. All right, again, don't forget to comment down below for a mining chamber merch pack. All right, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Peace out.